Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on when you are watching this video from. This is the voice of Tutor Philip. All right, now today we're going to see another important topic in physics. Please kindly take note that the topic I teach here are not the casual regular topics. All right, it is majorly the topics that you are likely to see in your exam, either WAEC, JAM, NECO, or any form of exam you're about to write. Okay, so simple harmonic motion in partnership with circular motion are topics that are frequent that JAM love to set questions from. All right, so let's we're going to be handling the concept of simple harmonic motion. Please, at the end of this video, don't forget to comment, to like, and to share. All right, you can also subscribe to it also. And please, whatever form of topic, be it in physics, chemistry, and biology, that is giving you challenges, any topic in this subject, just comment it in the comment section below, and I will do my best to see if I can come up with a tutorial video that will give you a breakdown on that particular topic. Okay, let's move forward, guys. So see you in the video. All right, so welcome back. Now, so what do we know about circular motion? All right, circular motion talks about the motion that is being experienced, or the motion that an object in a circular path carries. Okay, let me just make it easier. All right, now take for instance, I'm moving my hand like this around the circular path, or an object moving in circle, going round and round and round. That particular motion of an object in a circular path is what we call circular motion. So I don't want to bore you with too many theoretical concepts of circular motion. So what will happen, I'll just give you the basic formulas and that can help you solve major questions in circular motion. Please note, we are still treating circular motion, not yet simple harmonic motion. All right, now the major formula that you have to know that relates circular motion, that has relationship with circular motion, are number one, the force formula, number two, the acceleration formula. All right, now for a body to experience a constant movement, like for a body to constantly move around a circle, there must be a force that is related with it. I hope you get. If a body is moving around and round and round, there must be a particular force that is constantly making that object to move around the circle. All right, and that force is always at the middle. Okay, that force is always at the middle. The force that is responsible for the constant movement of an object in a circular path is called centripetal force. All right, it's called what? Centripetal force. Centripetal force is the force that is responsible for the constant movement of an object around a circle. All right, now the formula for centripetal force is giving us F is equals to mv square over r. All right, where the F is giving us what? The centripetal force itself. The V is the velocity. Okay, then the arrow is the radius of the what? Of the circle. All right, now this is a formula for force relating circular motion. Okay, and the next one is the acceleration formula. All right, you already know the meaning of acceleration, basic physics. All right, now for that of acceleration, the formula for acceleration is giving us A is equal to what? V square over r. All right, so this is a formula for centripetal acceleration, where your A is also the acceleration. All right, your arrow is radius, then V is what? Velocity. Yes, guys, so these are the major formulas that you ought to know in in circular motion. All right, so guys, let's start taking questions. All right, so welcome to the first question. All right, now let me break down this question. All right, I will break it down to your best level of understanding. Okay, now I remember my early days of physics. I used to see questions and they would be like heavy things for me. I would see my mates solving it some of my lecture mates in the same lecture. Under 2 minutes, they have picked the question and give the answer. I'll be like, show these guys. How do they do this thing? There is nothing there, more. There is nothing there. See, let me tell you, physics is one of the simplest things you can ever see. Just follow me. The moment if you keep following on my videos, you watch all my videos, I'm telling you, you become a master of physics. Even yourself, you become surprised at how come you are solving questions like this. All right, let's just work with me, okay? Now, to solve physics questions, the first thing you need to know is that you must master the ability of understanding questions. Yes, you must understand the ability of understanding questions. That's the first rule of solving questions in physics. Understand the ability, how questions are being solved. All right. Now, take a look at this question. It said, an object of weight 150 newtons, okay, moves with a speed of 4.5 meters per second in a circular path of radius 3 meters. Calculate its centripetal acceleration and the magnitude of its centripetal force. Take G gravity as 10 meters per second square. Okay, the first thing you need to do is to identify what you are being asked to look for. Now, they said calculate its centripetal acceleration. So that's the first one. Okay, centripetal acceleration. The second one is the magnitude of its centripetal force. So we are looking for both acceleration and force. Another thing they said an object of weight 150 newtons. Note, they did not say mass. The question says weight. There is a difference between mass and weight. As time goes on, I will explain. So guys, let's solve this question. Pretty easy. The first thing you want to do, you want to write out everything they gave to you from the question. An object of weight 150. So weight, W, is what? 150 newtons. All right? Moves with a speed of 4.5 meters per second. So speed, which is velocity, is what? 1.5 meters per second. Okay? In a circular path of radius 3 meters. So radius is what? 3 meters. Calculate its centripetal acceleration. So I'm looking for centripetal acceleration, not just that, and the magnitude of its centripetal force. I'm also looking for what? Centripetal force. Question mark, sorry. There's supposed to be a question mark. Okay, now guys, I've already given you the formula for both of them. You can just switch back to the previous video to check. Now, very, very easy. Now, what do? You simply solve for the first one first. What's the first one? The first one is what? Acceleration. All right. So guys, I've already given you the formula for acceleration, and the formula is A is equal to V square all over R. All right. A is equal to V square over R. Now, anywhere you see V, you're going to put, is it 1.5 or 4.5? Oh, 4.5, guys. 4.5. 4.5. That's my bad. All right. So, anyway you see V, you're going to put what? 4.5. Okay? Maybe because today is Sunday, Sunday hunger. That's the reason why I'm confusing 1.5 for 4.5. All right? So, 4.5 is for velocity. So, whenever you see V, you put 4.5. So, A is equal to what? 4.5. Not just 4.5. Look at the formula. There is a square at the head of the V. All right? So, you put the square also at the head. 4.5 square. Okay? Good. All over. Now you put your arrow. What's your arrow? Your arrow is 3. Anyway, you see arrow, you put 3. So put 3. So what do? You go over to your calculator and you multiply 4.5 times 4.5. Please, don't go and form guru in the hole. Use your calculator if they give you one. Please. All right? Don't go and form you to know. If you have a calculator, use it. So 4.5 times, you see, we have 4.5 square here. This 4.5 square, I hope you know it means 4.5 times 4.5. This is what it means, all right? So multiply it. 4.5 times 4.5, that will give us 20.25, all right? Divided by 3. 20.25 divided by 3, that will give us 6.75 meters per second square. So guys, that is it for centripetal acceleration.